Welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a production run from a sale. On your left sidebar, click on Sales, click on Add Sale, add all the information for that sale, the products that you're going to be selling, tax, shipping, discounts, all of that information. Once it is ready, click Next, and we're going to ask you how do you want to prepare this sale. You would need to select Create Production Run for all products. Click on Create, and you will automatically see on the sales details the production for that specific sale. If you click on that production, you will be able to see all the production details, the products that you're going to be making, the quantity. You can also edit the batch number and add some notes for each one of the products and view all the materials. You can click on Start Production and you are going to see the progress of your production run. This is how you can create a production run from a sale in Inventora.